Okay, the first thing that you really need to understand for whatever instrument you're playing is the notes on your instrument. Okay, so I'm holding a guitar, but it doesn't matter. It can be any instrument at all. So I'm going to use the guitar because I'm sitting here holding it, and it's my main instrument, but this applies to anything, including voice, okay, any instrument. So you need to know where the notes are, okay? So you need to know, like say on a guitar, that note is an A. On a guitar, that note is a C. On a guitar, that note's an F. On a guitar, that note's a D sharp or E flat. Okay, you need to know these things. So the easiest thing first to understand is that Western music is made up of 12 evenly spaced in quotes, because we use a tempered system where the notes aren't really perfectly evenly spaced, but whatever. It won't even get into that. That's a whole other kettle of fish. But 12 evenly spaced notes, and they are labeled, named after letters of the alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? Obviously that's 7. So there are other notes in between. So in between A and B, there's a note, and it's A sharp or B flat. Sharp meaning 1 fret higher or 1/2 step higher in pitch. Flat meaning 1/2 step lower in pitch, 1 fret on a fretted guitar. So between A and B, there's a sharp and a flat. And again, A sharp, B flat, that's the same note, that's a note in between. There is no note in between B and C. Then between C and D, there's C sharp and D flat. Then between D and E, there's D sharp and E flat. Then between E and F, there's no note. So it just goes E, 1/2 step higher is F. There's no E sharp or F flat. It's E to F. Then F, 1/2 step up is F sharp or G flat, and then G. And then from G, we go back to A. So G is G sharp, the note in between, or A flat between G and A. So hopefully that makes sense. I like to think of it as a circle. So it goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So it just keeps cycling. So as you go around and get to G, you go back to A again, and then B, C, D, E, F, G, then back to A again. Okay, and remember, there are notes in between, sharps or flats, depending what you want to call them. Really, it's the same note. F sharp and G flat are the same note. But there's no note in between B and C and E and F. Okay, so once you know that, then it's really quite easy to figure out the notes. So on a guitar, this string, the second from the thickest, is an A string. Okay, so A. The next note is A sharp or B flat. Then a B, then a C. C sharp or D flat, then a D, D sharp or E flat, then an E, then an F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, and A again. And it just continues cycling through again. So the A again, then A sharp or B flat, then B, then C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, E sharp or F flat, no, sorry, E, F, I'm getting all confused way up here. F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, A. Okay, so on any instrument, whatever, if you go up by 1/2 steps, that's the pattern it follows. So of course, if you start on this thickest string on a guitar is an E. So if we start on the note E, it's E, F, F sharp, G flat, G, G sharp, A flat, A sharp, B flat, B. C, C sharp, C flat, C. No, sorry, C sharp, D flat, D, D sharp, E flat, E. And we're starting back over again. We started on E on that string. So the first thing you need to do is learn the notes on your instrument and where they are and how to find them, and just so that you can play them immediately so that like I could go like this and go, okay, that's a B. That's also a B. That's also a B. That's also a B. This string is a B. Slightly out of tune, it sounded. But, you know, a C, a D, a G, an F, an A sharp, A flat, you know, whatever, also G sharp, the A flat. But you just need to know all of the notes. So that's the very first thing. So go and do that, and then come back and watch the next one, the next video lesson, and subscribe, and all that stuff, and like, and comment, and help me get the algorithm up.